Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Compliments of the season to us. In this video I'll be showing us how I crocheted this Christmas inspo strawberry earrings. This was going to be my first tutorial on this channel, and I'll be putting us through the step-by-step process on how I made these beautiful strawberry earrings. The video is beginner friendly and very easy to make, so let's get right into it. We'll be needing our yarns, a pair of scissors, a crochet hook, a pair of darning needle, and a pair of earring hooks. So let's start. In this video we're going to be making a slip knot first, then we'll go ahead to chain 4. This chain 4 is going to be our first treble crochet and it's going to count as a stitch. So we'll go ahead to chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that's our first treble crochet. I'm going to make a treble crochet by yarning over twice, insert our hook into the first chain and yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over twice again and insert your hook in the first foundation chain, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. You'll continue like this until you have 5 treble crochets in that same foundation chain. The first stitch we earlier made counts as a treble crochet, so you count and make sure you have 5 treble crochets in the first foundation chain. Make sure not to allow the first foundation chain to unravel. Make sure you fasten it off after you've completed your treble crochets in that same foundation chain. Fasten off like so, pull it tight to hold the stitches in. So at this point we'll be changing our yarn to the green yarn, so you can use whichever color of yarn that you desire, but in this video it's a Christmas inspo strawberry earring, so I'm using red and green like you can see in the video. So I'm going to attach the green yarn after I've fastened off and cut off the red yarn. So I'm attaching the green yarn like so. So you insert your hook and join the green yarn to the body of the already existing stitches that you made. So after inserting it, you adjust it firmly, try to tighten the ends, the red and the green together, to hold the stitches together. So at this point we're going to insert our hook, pull up a loop first, insert our hook again, pull up a loop, insert your hook, pull up a loop in every stitch of the existing stitches you made, earlier 5 stitches you make, and you will have about 5 stitches on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all the 5 stitches, then chain 1 and cut off your yarn. So now we are done. We'll fasten off, pull tight. You can see it has formed the shape of a strawberry. Like it's looking like a strawberry, let me put it that way. It's looking like a strawberry. So we're going to weave in our ends. We're going to weave in our ends and I will show you the final result. Here we are. You insert the earring hooks at the top after you fastened off all the ends and weaved all the ends. Look at how beautiful the earrings look. They are so beautiful. I'll also be styling them in this video to show you all how beautiful it looks. So these strawberry earrings can be made in whatever colors you desire, or whatever colors, whatever yarn size you desire. This is a 4-ply yarn used in this video. So here I am rocking the earring I really like this earring. I love it so much. I had to pair it with my Christmas hat, my crochet Christmas hat. See how beautiful both of them look. So guys, do well to subscribe, like, comment and share my videos. I'll be dropping more tutorial videos on this channel. Thank you.